Alright, beautiful day in the neighborhood, and a lot of people have asked about the throttle cable delete and how I relocated that. So usually there's a cable that comes here and then ties up to the throttle linkage, and then it's got the cable and then the spring. Anyhow, what I did was I moved that wire and did an L bracket with a 6mm barrel screw, and then ran the wire through one of the holes on the main throttle that basically hooks up to the original throttle linkage. And then on the other side is a heavy duty spring. And let me know if you have any questions. I do have extra anchor screws to tie the wires, as well as the barrel screw, and have a few of these also, the L brackets. So if you're interested, drop me a comment down below or let me know. If you're interested, I could send you and do whatever, try it out on your end. But that's how I hacked it up. So some reference points there for you. That's about it. That's the throttle linkage. Works pretty good. And when you engage there, it's fully engaged, you see, and then just returns. So that's how it works. Works pretty fine. Works pretty great. You get it up to like 32. That's about it. Anyhow, enjoy. Peace. And that's the Phatmoto Gonzo update.